Hi children, this topic we are discussing about again few examples of addition and subtraction together. Before class, explain how to apply the addition and subtraction if he gave in one sum together. If he will give how to do solutions one by one step, I told. Only before class, only one example I told. This example, this class I will explain about the few examples, more few examples. See, whatever it will be, subtraction should be compulsory, subtraction symbol should be compulsory. We have to apply the only two numerical numbers. Addition symbol we have to apply more than two numerical numbers. Okay, see for example, this topic should be addition and subtraction symbols both are there. One example I am expensive ones. 4879 plus 3263 minus 2782. See the children, in this sum three numerical numbers are there. In these three numerical numbers, in between the first two numbers is a addition symbol, second two numbers it will be is a subtraction symbol. First which symbol is there, this symbol we have to apply. What are those numbers are there, this symbol we have to apply in between the first numerical numbers 4879 and say 3, 6, 2 and 3. Again we can add 3 plus 9, it will be become 12, carry 1 2. It will be 7 plus 6, it will be 13, 13 carry 1 14. Again it will be a carry 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus carry 1 11, 1 carry 1 down, 3 plus 4 7, 7 carry 1 8. How much we got? We have to first which symbol is there? Addition symbol is there. I applied addition symbol. Okay, whatever we got the sum in between the two numerical number, when we are applying the addition symbol we got the sum. Then this total sum, whatever two numbers we are in, we got the sum. From this sum we have to subtract. We have to subtract. If he gave addition, then do the addition. If you give the subtraction symbol, then go through subtraction only. Same total from how much we got? 8142. Subtract this one to how much? 2, 8 and 7 and 2. Which symbol we have to apply? Subtraction symbol. First addition symbol is there. I applied addition symbol. Second, whatever we got from this total, from this we have to do application subtraction from this number. Okay, first one 2 minus 2 0. In 4 8 can't go, then we can go to borrow. 1 is becoming 0, 4 is becoming 14. 14 minus 8 is a 6. Again 0 from 0 7 can't go. Take borrow from 8. 8 is become 7. 10 0 is become 10. 10 minus 7 it will be 3. 5 7 minus 2 is a 5. How much we got? 5360 we got. For whenever simplify it will be how much? Simply whatever we are doing, simplify that part, applying the addition and subtraction both together we got. The answer is, we will say that is the 5360 we got. Okay, this one is applications of addition and subtraction together. What we gave the sum. This is the simplification of the given sum. Simplification. What we did the simplification. How much we got the answer? 5310. Isn't it? This is the one type of example. One second type of example. See once if we give addition symbol is second. 72,842 minus 32,642 plus 12,162. All are 5-digit numbers only. If we gave less digit number, then go through the less digit numbers only. If we gave the more digit number, go to more digit numbers only. It will be easy. First one, according to our properties, first which symbol we have to, first we have to take the first two numerical numbers. Which one is there? 72,842 is there. Second one is 32,642. In between the both 5 digit number, which symbol is there? It will be here only minus symbol. Minus symbol meaning what? That one we have to go to subtraction. We have to do subtraction from in between the two numerical number. First two numerical number 72,842. Then again go to that. Second number should be is a subtraction. Go to subtraction. Then see here 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 4 0, 8 minus 6 it will be 2, 3 minus 3 is 0, again 7 minus 3 it will become 10. How much we got in this one? Sorry, 7 minus 3 it will become a 4, not 10. 7 minus 3 it will become a 4. Then whatever we are differentiation of first two digit number, how much? First two numerical numbers we got 40,200. Difference of first two numerical number, when we are applying the subtraction symbol, we got the answer is difference is 40,200. With this 40,200 we got this. Whenever we are doing subtraction 40,000 immediately which number is there? We have to apply addition symbol. We have to apply the addition symbol. Which one to which one? Then 2 6 1 2 1 12,162. We have to apply the addition symbol. Second it will be is a addition. First is a subtraction, second is a addition. Then do through it directly addition. 2 6 3 2 and 5. How much we got? 52,362. Okay na? Then simplify. How much we got? Answer we have to write compulsory down. Minus 32,642 plus 12,162. It will be become 52,362. Whenever we did the simplification, we got 52,362. Okay children, this is the one more type of example. If we are applying subtraction symbol first, then we have to go to second, it will be easy addition symbol. This is the one more type of example. Then we have to subtract. One more type of example I will explain. It will be he gave two sums in the solution. If he give two subtraction symbol, if you will give how to do subtractions, I will explain. See. The third one, same. Now I will take the 6-digit number 8,29,482. 8,29,842. This one 4,26,128 minus 1,329. All these are 3-digit numbers, 6-digit numbers, but in this only first numerical number is having addition symbol. Both these two numerical numbers is having subtraction symbols only. First number is having not symbol, that's why we have to go to that is a addition symbol. First 8,29,482 is a having addition symbol. These both are numerical numbers. It will be easy subtraction symbol. Now we have to apply simplification of first numbers. Then we have to take these two numerical numbers. First we have to take first two numerical number, write in vertical method. 8,29,482. Then we have to go to 4,26,128. Then we have to apply this symbol again, subtraction symbol. Then we can't go from 2 8. Then we can take borrow from the before number. We can get 12. 12 minus 8 is a 4. Okay. Next one, 7 minus 2 it will be 5. 4 minus 1 it will be 3. 9 minus 6 it will be 3. Okay. 2 minus 2 is 0. 8 minus 4 it will be become a 4. How much we got? 4,03,354. 3,354. Whatever we got the difference of the number should be we got 4,03,354. 4,03,354 he gave. We got the difference of first number. Then we have to apply next which symbol we have to apply? Subtraction symbol only. In the second example we have here addition symbol. Then we did here addition. But here subtraction symbol is there. We have to go to subtraction. Then going to here from subtraction to 3, 0, 0 and 1. Then in 4, 9 can't go. Take it borrow. 5 is becoming 4. 4 is becoming 14. 14 minus 9 is a 5. 4 minus 2 is a 2. 3 minus 3 0. 3 minus 0 3. 0 minus 0 0. 4 minus 1 it will become 3. How much we got? 3,03,025 we got. Then whenever we are simplify these numbers, how much we got? How much we got? Is a 3,03,025. 3,03,025 we got. This is the subtraction and addition together. This class session is completed. Then next session I will explain about the few sums of about the more word problems and estimating the numbers. Okay, thank you.